Hello everyone, today we talk about how to boost your collagen production. If you want a beautiful skin, shining hair, healthy joint, you cannot make it without enough collagen. So how to make your body produce collagen more efficiently is the key to get those collagen benefits. The collagen synthesis is a linear process. Any disconnection during the process will fail the whole synthesis. There are 4 known nutrients that can boost the production. They are vitamin A, vitamin C, copper, and zinc. I will tell why during my brief description of the human collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein, a macromolecule. It cannot be absorbed and used directly like those small molecular nutrients such as CoQ10, DHA, and EPA. It's kind of fantasy that people put collagen on skin and want this compensate the collagen loss of their skin. Unfortunately, this only gives a physical layer of the skin and cannot be a source of human collagen. When we eat collagen or any type of protein, they will be broken down into small pieces by our digestive system. 90% of them turns to the monomer amino acids, and also a few bipeptide and tripeptide. So no matter what source you get your outside collagen or protein, the substance you get in your bloodstream is the same. They are all small amino acid building blocks. The only difference is the ratio of these amino acids. For example, if you eat collagen, you will get higher ratio of amino acids which are required for collagen synthesis. After you get all the amino acids required, the synthesis of collagen starts in fibroblasts. At this stage, vitamin A is needed. When the body realizes skin has wrinkles, sunburn, or bones and muscles need more support, vitamin A will act as a messenger that can tell the cell to make more collagen. When getting this message, there will be more gene expression for collagen synthesis, and those amino acids are connected by certain sequence. The recommended daily amount of vitamin A is 900 microgram for men and 700 microgram for women. It's not milligram, it's microgram, it's not too much. Food source of vitamin A include beef liver, eggs, shrimp, fish, butter, and Swiss cheese. The peptide here is then modified by hydroxylase to put the hydroxy group on proline and lysine. This step needs oxygen as oxidant and vitamin C as reductant. There are numerous videos talking about taking vitamin C and a collagen supplement together to get the best result. That is absolutely true. The recommended amount of allowance we see for adult is 90 mg daily for men and 75 mg for women. Food source of vitamin C include fruits and vegetables. Very easy. These peptides then go through several steps and go out of fibroblasts as collagen monomer. These monomers are assembled together by lysooxidase. This process needs a cofactor, copper. When copper binds to lysooxidase, it turns the enzyme on. These monomers are linked together by covalent bonds and get the mature collagen. This is the real collagen we need. This process is very critical since it is the last step of the synthesis and determines the quality of collagen. The recommended daily amount of copper is 900 microgram for adults. Food source of copper include beef liver, cashews, oyster, crab, and sunflower seeds. They all contain considerable amount of copper. The last nutrient I want to mention is zinc. To be honest, I read tons of papers and no one can tell me exactly what zinc's role is in collagen production. But one thing for sure is that zinc involved in both production and degradation of collagen, especially in wound healing process. Research also shows that zinc deficiency leads to a significant reduction of collagen production. The recommended daily allowance of zinc is 11 mg for men and 8 mg for women. Here's a reminder that too much zinc will cause copper deficiency. So keep a balance between copper and zinc intake will give you best chance to get the benefits from both. Food sources of zinc include oysters, poultry, meat, cashews, almonds, and dairy products. On the other hand, we will lose collagen with age. We cannot stop it, but we can avoid some unnecessary collagen damage, such as smoking, UV exposure, and excessive sugar and fat intake. I think a lot of people feel their skin dry when take too much glucose. This is a common sign of the collagen damage. Trust me, a healthy living style and good food intake can dramatically slow down the collagen loss. That's the secret of young forever. In summary, to get the most benefit of collagen, we need to have sufficient vitamin A, vitamin C, mineral copper, and zinc. In most cases, a good meal is enough to provide all these nutrients. I will also list all those nutrients daily recommended amount and food resource in the description. Again, thanks for your time and support. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel.